The depollution system faulty warning in your Peugeot or Citroën car is often connected with the emission systems like EGR valve, catalytic converter, O2 sensors, but really often this has something to do with the fuel supply and ignition systems. First of all, check the spark plugs and coils. This is the most common thing that causes this depollution system warning error message in Peugeot engines. Also, you may need to check the wiring to the injectors, because I don't know why, but rodents, rats, mice, they really love the taste of Peugeot and Citroën wiring, and they love to chew this wiring. So if you park your vehicle near some trash bin, it's predictable that a rodent can chew the wire. So it's worth checking before you do any more expensive repairs. To avoid repairing something unnecessary, you need a good OBD2 scanner, not just the reader that communicates only with the ECU, but a good scanner that is compatible with Peugeot cars, and it can read the codes from different modules, different electronic control modules. So in this case, you will get the codes and you will have an absolutely clear understanding of what's happening with the vehicle. And you need to understand that in any modern car, the emission system will register toxic emissions, will register problems when there is the problem with burning fuel. So if the fuel is not ignited, if the fuel is not delivered properly into the cylinders, if the fuel somehow gets into the catalytic converter and burns there, raising the temperatures of the emission system, it will all result in this depollution system faulty error message on this dash of your car. There is only about 5% chance that this is about the EGR valve or catalytic converter, especially in cars with less than 300,000 kilometers or 200,000 miles on the clock.